All right, everybody, Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. I've got one here today, a Hyundai of Kennesaw trade-in, 2014 Lexus IS250 Sport, F-Sport, with 87,000 miles. Let's see how she looks. So far, so good. Doesn't look too bad, other than we're missing the 2 in the IS250. Definitely some paint work there on the back bumper. Definitely some fading paint going on the roof. Let's check her out. See what she looks like. She looks pretty decent on the inside. No ripped up front seats. Oh man, sporty seats. Ooh, this is nice. Smells like weed, man. But she runs good. Let's see if we got some cold AC here. Maybe. We got heated seats, but no cooled seats. And it looks like we have a dead screen, folks. Dead as a doornail. Let's take her for a ride. Oh, we do have a backup camera. That part came alive. Let's take her for a little drive, if she'll move. Let's see, the brake is on. How do you turn the brake off? That's the hood. Push it with my foot. Okay, there we go. There we go. Terrible tinted windows on the back window. I mean, it obscures your view big time. Ooh, big time. Now what I'm going to start doing, if you've been a long-term subscriber, I normally put the sales price in the description of what these cars sell for at auction. None of these cars are mine. They're not mine. So many people comment all the time, you know, why'd you sell it for? And, oh, you're asking way too much money. And I'm like, no, this is an auction where people are bidding and this is the sales price. These are not my cars. They're not my asking prices. These are actual wholesale auction sold prices. So if you think the price is too high, well, you argued with the wholesale people, not me. Woo. Well, got an exhaust pipe on her, don't we? Come on. Good Lord. We have no air conditioning. None. Zero. It's on low. Not doing a darn thing. No AC. And it's 100-degree afternoon. So we're riding with the windows down. You know, this little car drives good. It drives good and solid. You know, sturdy, steady. Got good suspension all around. Nothing clunking or doing anything stupid. Yoo-hoo! Not a bad little car, really. But not having air conditioning sucks, really. Get me out of this thing. Holy crap. When I'm out here looking at cars to drive, part of my mind's going, okay, which one's definitely going to have AC? And, you know, a 14 Lexus usually has AC, but not this one. Jeez, this thing's awful. Okay, get me out of this thing. Man, she runs good though. Runs real good. Anyway, oh yeah, that Volvo runs like crap. 14 I S250, 87,000 miles. If it was bought for the right price, put a little work into it. It's got great looking tires on it. And hell, they're Michelin's. Yeah, do a little work to it, get the AC fixed, be a neat car. We'll see y'all with the next one. Peace.